Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And we all know yesterday was a crazy day for the cryptocurrency market where the whole thing took a big dump, okay? And we can see HARMONYONE fell about to 0.13 cents, okay? Now we had this support line for HARMONYONE, and you can see recently it has broken out of it. It was already breaking it, but it actually this was a confirmation move where it actually came down and it also broke this support line for this cup formation and the handle that was here. So now it's trying to slowly move back up. It will be good if it moves over here. That would be the bullish case. If and especially Bitcoin has to make a move as well. You can take a look at Bitcoin. It's in this ascending triangle at the moment. Okay, now it's just doing something within this pattern, and waiting for a breakout. But also in the bigger picture, it's also creating this channel where it's a rising channel, which is a bearish pattern, but overall it's making bullish patterns in this overall bearish pattern. But so it might just break out of this ascending triangle, and this is the price target for this ascending triangle wherever it breaks out from. So it might go to maybe about 50,000, okay. So let's move back to the HARMONYONE. Now with HARMONYONE, like I gave you a scenario, HARMONYONE can play out in this manner, like something like this in my previous videos. Harmony, if you go to the daily time frame, maybe you can do this a little bit. Daily time frame, and let's take this move, okay? So as you can see that this move, we all know it's coming from here and a recent dump that's taking place. Okay, I'm not saying it's gonna go all the way here, but like you can see that it just touched it, and it found support at this level. I'll show you where did it find support. So if we bring the 55 moving average, this is basically the key support for HARMONYONE. Okay, you can see how many times, right over here in the weekly time frame, it touched, then it bounces. It touches, it bounces. We have a touch, okay, and then you can see that upwards movement. Now remaining, what I can predict is if we just take this move, and we can see that this area can be a resistance line for HARMONYONE. A little bit above would be good, right over there. This support line, I mean, and then we can just, if we take this off, and just do this, you know like that, and this is also a support that's coming into play for HARMONYONE. I can show you where that support is coming from. Right over here, so you can see it found support here. It used to be resistance, and then the movement could be something like this. Even if the price came down, okay, I can still see some good patterns within this area. Look at this, okay? Even if the price came down, you can still see what it can do. It might do something like this within this pattern, okay? If it doesn't break out, if it breaks out and goes to the upside, that's already bullish. But if it stays in this little triangle, okay, it can do something like this and eventually break out somewhere over here because this will create an ascending triangle for HARMONYONE. So even if, let's say Bitcoin, you know, it no, it's going into a bear market, which I don't feel we are in a bear market because unless Bitcoin breaks this level over here, I'm still bullish with Bitcoin. Okay, 40,000 level. Okay, it can do whatever it want because whenever we had this area, okay, it was overextended, came back, made a falling wedge, and then broke out. So you can create a same scenario here. We were overextended. We're gonna come down. Okay, look at the RSI. Let's check it out. Okay, RSI was making bearish divergences. Okay, right over there, and here. Let's see. Take that off. Give me 1 second. Let me take this off. If we could just zoom into the RSI. Yeah, this is the weekly time frame for uh, Bitcoin. I don't think anybody covers the RSI in the weekly. I haven't seen any YouTuber do that, but look at this, okay? This is the support. It hasn't broken this support yet, okay? So if this support gets broken, then maybe we can consider something, a reversal going on, but it hasn't broken it yet. So it might come back here, take a bounce and try to go up, okay? So this is still good. We are still okay until or unless everything changes and uh, it breaks this level, the 40,000 level, and then we are coming back over here to the 33 and testing this area over here. So now we can create a scenario. It can either, just consolidate in this area, but if Bitcoin picks up, wants to go up to the 52, we might come over here, retest this level, 21 cents. Okay, and if Bitcoin breaks 52,000, then maybe we can go up a little and retest this 55 moving average. And we need to get above the 20 and the 55 moving average in the daily time frame. In the weekly time frame, we are in the middle of, in the basically in between the 20 and the 55. We are just consolidating. Okay, you can see over here, whenever we are in between them, we're just doing a little bit of a consolidation. Okay, um, so it's still good. If it loses the 55, goes below, then yeah, the chances are you're making a reversal. Okay, but overall, I think it's still playing accordingly to these moving averages and the support systems and the resistance and support lines. If it loses the 55, yeah, then you could create a scenario and closes a candle below it in the weekly. Then you could create a scenario where market can take a reversal. Okay, but overall, I think it's still good. And thank you so much for watching my video. Like the video, comment below if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.